All right, so this is a production switch panel installed in a 2015 Plus F-150. This is the 3 rectangular hole design, which accommodates the standard size switches as you see here. This allows you to install those to control additional equipment. Of course, these universal size switches come in various looks and labeling, but this is one example. And as you can see, the texture on the production panel is very similar to the texture on the other production parts in the truck. So this gives you that clean OEM look. But this is the 2015 Plus F-150 center console switch panel to control electronic equipment in your F-150.